Hi guys, good evening. It's been like a while since I've been posting some videos. We've been swamped with life, everything kind of just going on, and lots of new changes and things going on. So, hopefully, in the next month or so, you guys will start seeing some of those changes and things roll out as we kind of announce them and as I start kind of recording them. Um, and I'm so excited to be sharing all this information with you guys once it kind of starts getting going in motion. So, in the meantime, I wanted to kind of talk about maybe some of the content that I'll be coming out with over the next couple of weeks, where I'm going to try to do at least once a month an essential oil education video. So, talking about a specific oil and then maybe doing a DIY or talking about like maybe the business side or the entrepreneurial side about kind of the doTERRA business. So for those of you guys that haven't heard, the doTERRA India is launching. Sorry, the doTERRA India warehouse is launching, and it will most likely be first quarter of 2022 because I don't think it'll be this year, but that will be fingers crossed. That'll be amazing if it does happen this year. Otherwise, latest it'll be first quarter of 2022. So, with that in mind, I want to reach out to each of you to see if any of you know any fierce females that I want to link arms with and basically do this business with. So, I'm looking for both men and women, but with my goals in mind, I am wanting to empower women and I want those women to be empowering others because we need to stay together and stick together. So, I want someone that is loving natural things, that has a heart of service, that wants to give back to the community and be able to also build and have their own financial stability. So, this is something where it would be like a variety of things. So, being able to have that community service is a big part of it. Being a force for good and looking towards and finding the best in people and being that light to be able to help and support them, but also helping them find their own light from within. Number two, the biggest thing is hard work. I want someone that is going to be dedicated. I don't want anyone that's going to be thinking that it's going to be an easy ride because it's like a job. It's like anything that you're going to be passionate about or anything that you want to see nurtured and growing, you have to pour your heart and soul into it. So I want women that are fierce and that are willing to go that extra mile and go that extra distance to make sure that they're sharing what is empowering them as well. So you have your own goals, your own aspirations, your own dreams, and you're integrating and entwining all of those with the dreams that you have for doTERRA as well. So if this is something that calls to you, or if this is something that you know may be calling to someone else that you know, ask them to reach out to me. I'm going to put my contact details in the description below, but this is where I want to be a part of their growth and I want them to be a part of my growth as well. So I hope that we can link arms together to do that. And that's where in the next couple of months, there will be more things announced and more things being unraveled. So I know even for myself, doTERRA has been a huge blessing for me, not just financially, but also for the wellness aspect side of it, because I didn't start with the business. I started with just using and loving these oils, and I've been doing that for about over 7 years now. Yeah, I would say almost 8 years now. And these oils have been my rock, I would say, when it comes to my family's health and wellness and my own health and wellness. And seriously, they are my lifeline. For those of you that know me, know that they are. So I hope that this speaks to someone out there and you're able to link arms with me and kind of grow together as we grow and expand this business across India and across the world. So reach out and I hope that I'm able to connect with you. Thanks for joining, guys. See ya.